homes does a buyer make an offer on before they win the multiple bid situation? It's Friday, May 24th, 2024. Welcome to the unofficial start of summer in Maryland, the Memorial Day weekend. It's not just about a 3-day weekend, barbecues, beaches, and mountains. Memorial Day is a time of reflection for those men and women who gave their life in service of our country. Take a moment this weekend to reflect on that. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The answer to that question, how many homes does a buyer need to make an offer on before they win? It depends where they are looking to buy and the price point, but you can expect about 3 homes on average. Multiple offers are still a thing and prices are still pushing up as a result. On average, data indicates home prices are 5.9% up from last week and 12.5% higher from last year, this time with record high prices in most areas. The Baltimore metro region saw an 11.7% week over week increase in buyer home tours, and home prices are up 13.7% this week. The southern region saw buyer activity up by 9.2% since last week, and prices are up 2.3% this week. The Maryland Mountain region buyer activity is up 11.98% from last report, and home prices fell 13.5% this week. Maryland suburbs saw buyer home tours down 25% this past week as home prices rose 1.7%. Homes coming soon have fallen 21% to 1,154. New inventory that hit the market over the past week rose 6.9% to 1,868. Homes going under contract remain consistent at 1,763 this week and in 8 median days. 1,428 homes sold since last report at 100% list to sold ratio and in 7 days. Rentals available for lease rose 20% to 2013 at $2,300 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, May 24th, 2024. Our office is closed for the holiday. Enjoy your holiday. Stay safe. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next week. Take care.